joke. Especially if you live in a poor country, those dollars converted can be worth so much more in Pakistan, for example. But how do I get a US or UK audience? My country doesn't have a TikTok creativity program, too bad. You follow the rules, just kidding? I got your back. I managed to find a hole in TikTok, as my cat always used to say. Follow the Y in game unfair BR. I meant why follow the rules in an unfair game enough about my cats. Wise quotations, let me show you how to get access to the TikTok creativity program from any country. Step 1, head over to the website. I've linked in the description. There you can grab as many US TikTok accounts as you need. Why US accounts? Well, not only do they grant you access to the TikTok creativity program, but they also give your content a boost with a higher RPM now to sweeten the deal. I've even scored an exclusive discount code from the website owner. Just use code R2 at checkout for a massive 10% off. Now that you have the TikTok account set up, let me show you 2 tricks to avoid getting under 1,000 views on each video and getting shadow banned. First, watch a few TikToks and engage with them by commenting and liking videos likely in your niche, so you can get new ideas and improve. Second, don't change the username or profile picture. I know this sounds stupid, but trust me. Post the first video and then change the username now before we start. Let me show you one of the videos for a better understanding question. Number 1, name.